3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a fun tune by Dramarama. Anything. Super easy. Even beginners can try to play this. We got all open chords. Let's go. Standard tuning. E minor, 1, 2. From E minor, we keep second finger, move third finger to E string, 3rd fret, and add pinky, 3rd fret, E. High E. Then we move down to C. First finger, 2nd, 3rd, to D. 1, 2, 3. You can play the A string when you play D. So here's the switching. E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, D. Minor to G, C to D. Down, 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 choruses, you can play open verses. Let's mute a little bit. Dynamics. Put your right hand on the bridge and mute the strings a little bit. Same strumming. Chorus. Play octaves, so that's 5 D 7. No, let's see, 5 D 8 B octaves, and just move that 5 4 5 5 4 5 5 4 5 7. Just move the pinky along with the octaves. Mute the G string. G like this for this song. 2 fingers, 3rd finger and pinky, and I'll mute the A string. And when I hit the C, I actually add the pinky on the high G. maybe not play the third in the D. Maybe play open E. Use your ears, see what you think sounds better. I actually mute the high E string when I play D all the time. Sounds like that. Easy, awesome song. See you guys tomorrow. Be safe, be well. Thank you guys. Bye.